Hello everyone! Welcome to Sandusky District Library's virtual spring story time. We're on week 2. Are you ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Hello everyone, I am so glad you are here. Today we are going to look at books that have robots. So our first book I'd like to share with you today is called The Bot That Scott Built, and it's by Kim Norman. Ready? This is the bot, the Bippity Bot, the rabbit-eared robot that Scott built. This is the class, the curious class that gawked at the bot that Scott built. This is the teacher, the talkative teacher who calmed the class that gawked at the bot that Scott built. These are the ants, the angry ants that tread on the teacher in polka dot pants, who calmed the class that gawked at the bot that Scott built. These are the plants, the carnivorous plants that feasted on flies and fiery ants that tread on the teacher in polka dot pants, who calmed the class who gawked at the bot that Scott built. This is the frog, the freaky frog that leaped from the log in a bathtub bog to gobble the goodies that piled on plants that feasted on flies and fiery ants that tread on the teacher in polka dot pants, who calmed the class that gawked at the bot that Scott built. Uh-oh. This is the boa escaped from its cage that draped like a microphone cord from the stage, a big belly boa that frightened the frog, the freaky frog from the bathtub log, that gobbled the goodies that piled on plants, that feasted on flies and fiery ants, that tread on the teacher in polka dot pants, who calmed the class that gawked at the bot that Scott built. Here's the volcano, the very volcano that bathed the boa in vinegar lava, the big belly boa that frightened the frog, the freaky frog from the bathtub bog that gobbled the goodies that piled on plants, that feasted on flies and fiery ants, that tread on the teacher in the polka dot pants, who calmed the class that gawked at the bot that Scott built. This is the spark, the sputtering spark that sped overhead in an awesome arc. A spark that spit from a Tesla coil that caused the volcano to bubble and boil. Wait, I know just what to do. This is the hero. The handy hero who managed the mess from the very volcano that bathed the boa in vinegar lava, the big belly boa that frightened the frog, the freaky frog from the bathtub bog that gobbled the goodies that piled on plants, that feasted on flies and fiery ants, that tread on the teacher in polka dot pants, who called for the class to cheer for the bot that Scott built. High five, bippity. Oops, I forgot about the frog. The end. Okay, storytime friends, we are going to build our own little robots. So in your storytime craft kit, you should have one of these. It's a paper bag, and inside of it is all the things that you're going to need to build your robot. So these are your arms and legs. This is your front of your robot. Some antennas. Lots of stuff in here. some shapes and a big triangle for the face. And what you're going to do, these are your eyes. You have some stickers for your eyes. So every robot that in the craft kits are a little bit different, but they all have the basic same things. So what you're going to do first is whatever piece of construction paper that looks like a giant rectangle, that is going to be the front of your robot. So you want to make sure that you have it on the side, your paper bag on this side where the flap is like this. Not like this, you need to make sure you have the flap. And you're going to take this and you're going to glue or tape it down. Make sure it's all the way, okay? And then you're going to do the legs and the arms. So you're going to have long strips of green paper. So with your grown-up, you're going to fold it one way. And then you're going to fold it back, and then you're going to fold it front, and then you're just going to go back and forth. So then you have like this. If you don't want to do this part, or you think that you just want it to keep it not wrinkled, that's fine. You can do that. So you're just going to, or you can just, you know, and so then it's all folded, and then you're going to take it and you're going to glue it one to this side, and then 2 arms, 2 legs. Okay, and then I'll show you my finished one. So here is what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. So you have your arms, your legs, you have some eyebrows with some antennas. So you have your sticks are like this. You can leave them like this, or you can, I made mine so they're squiggly. So however you'd like to do it. And then at the very end, I took a marker, but you can use a marker, crayon, pencil, pen, whatever you have on hand, and I drew a mouth on my robot. So then, when it's all done and it's all dry, you can make your robot beep bop, beep beep bop. Okay? All right, let's read our second book. Our second book is called Good Night, Little Bot. And it's by Karen Kaufman Orloff, and it's illustrated by Kim Smith. Little bot, it's time for bed. Let's get ready, sleepyhead. Put down the game, turn off TV. It's almost bedtime, can't you see? Don't say no and don't protest. Little robots need their rest. Roll your wheels into the tub. Shine your metal. Scrub, scrub, scrub. PJ's over power pack. Batteries, a tasty snack. Sipping oil nice and slow helps to make a robot grow. Still so energized and wired, little bot, why aren't you tired? Comb your circuits, brush your bolts, plug you in, recharge your bolts. Reading time, a cozy spot, a bedtime book for little bot. 10 more books? That's quite a few. How about I just read 2? Stay in bed now, don't get wild. Power down, sweet robot child. I know it's hard to fall asleep. Let's try counting robot sheep. Check for monsters under bed. Sensors quiet. Lay your head. A blankie tuck. A hug to share. A kiss for body, teddy bear. Lullaby, Pull covers tight. Oh, it looks like the little robot is going to sleep, doesn't it? A little bot. Down for the night. The end. Okay, those are the two books I had to share with you this week. Next week, because it's spring's virtual story time, we're going to talk birds, right? Because the birds are coming back. Have you seen a robin yet? They should be around here shortly. If you haven't seen one yet, make sure you keep an eye out for them. I have this one that's called, so I have a couple books I want to share. This one's called Bird Song, A Story in Pictures. And what I like about this one is that there is no words. So it is all pictures. This one is called Pigeon P.I. And then I have this one that's called Hello, My Name is Ruby. So next week we're going to talk birds. So, okay, that's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for joining us, and I will see you next week. Are you ready to say goodbye? Ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so say goodbye. Goodbye, my story time friends. See you next time.